In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to find the percentage in Microsoft Excel. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Here I have a data set. Here is name, ID, nong, subject name, English, history, math, political science and economics. Here is the total mark obtained, a total exam mark 5 subject. Here is a note, exam mark per subject 100. So I have 5 subjects, so the total exam mark for 5 subject will be 500, and here is the total mark obtained. So I have to add these values. So I have to use a simple formula. Let me click on equal. You can select this one, plus sign, this one, this one, this one and this one, and you can press the enter. But this is not the professional way. Let me press here equal, write sum, bracket start, and select all of these cells, bracket close, and hit enter. Here you will find the sum. After changing the mouse cursor, let me drag it down, and here is the sum of these values. So finally I have to find the percentage. Right here equal, let me select the total mark and write here the forward slash and select the total mark. First I have select the total mark, then the forward slash, and I have select the total mark. And if I hit enter, you will see the percentage. If I drag and drop here, you will see the percentage here. Here if I click here general, you will find only the decimal value. So what I have to do actually, here you have to write asterisk 100, hit enter, then you will find the percentage like this. You can increase and decrease the decimal number from here. If I change the number here 100, you will see the percentage is increased. If I change the number here, you will see the percentage is decreased. So I can easily find the percentage in this way, where if I want to see in the percentage numbering format, then I have to remove the 100 and hit enter and drag and drop it and change the numbering format here percentage, then you will find the exact percentage value. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.